Thank you for joining this overview video of AseptiKits SyriKit, 1 milliliter Syringe Sterile Preparation Kit with pallet technology. This kit is comprised of 21 milliliter syringes that are grouped and sealed within a header bag. Once the kit is terminally sterilized, the only pathway into the bag is through the 0.22 micron sterilizing grade filter. Attached to the filter is the proprietary capping tool. Also included within the kit is one 5 milliliter syringe and one 5 milliliters syringe outside the kit. And finally, a clip to help with organizing the syringes as they are filled. Using the kit is simple. After the desired drug has been drawn into the external 5 milliliter syringe connected to the filter. Using the capping tool, remove the cap from the first 1 milliliter syringe, dispense the correct volume, then recap. Repeat this process until all 1 milliliter syringes are filled. Any remaining drug can be dispensed into the internal 5 milliliter syringe for future use. A bubble test should be performed on the filter per institutional protocols. The syringes should be labeled and stored following FDA standards for the medication being processed. Thank you for watching this short video about SyriKits by AseptiKits. For more information about our kits, contact us at www.aseptikits.com.